So I showed you how to do the analysis in SPSS, and now I'll show you how to do it in Excel. So again, the first step is to download your data. So you go File, Download as a comma-separated values file. That'll be just the sheet. And then there it is. And so we'll say, we'll open it up. And it opens up in Excel. And it says it's CSV, which we know, so that's fine. And now you might see these pound signs, and you'd be like, oh my god, what's going on? But that just means that the column is too narrow to show the full width of the data. So you select all the columns, and you double-click on a border between columns. It will automatically size it to fit. So here are all our data. Formatted correctly, good times. So we can get started on making a graph. So the first group we're going to do, normally when we make a graph, we would include something like this, and that would plot all these movies together in one scatter plot with one color. And it would give domestic as the x-axis label and foreign as the y-axis label. But we don't want that in this case because we're taking our colors from this column. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select the numbers that go with kids comedy. And then we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to insert a scatter plot of this nature. Yes, sweet. So there are our points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all there. It's good. So now, in order to add more data, we're going to go to the Select Data button here up in the Chart Design tab. So you click Select Data. And here's our first series. We're going to edit that to give it its name. So the name will be Kids Comedy. And there it goes. Now we're going to add another one. That's my son. So here we add a new series, and that's going to be Sci-Fi Comedy. So we add that there. And then its x-axis values are going to be the corresponding elements from the domestic box office tape. So we select those. And you'll see there's already 1 point has showed up here. So we do that. And now for Y values, we click there. And we select these. And those are Y values. And so that's all set. So now we have 2 series in. We'll add 1 more. So again, the name is going to be Superhero Comedy. And we're going to add the domestic box office take. And we're going to add the foreign box office take. So there we go. So now we have the points, and all we need to do are add the axes and a legend. So in order to do that, we are going to hit OK here. And now we could do Add Chart Element up here, or we could do this plus sign. So I'll do the plus sign over here. We want Axis Titles. And then I'll do Add Chart Element over here. We want a legend. And I would like that legend to appear on top. I think it looks best. So do that. And then, so then this Axis title is I can type really. Is Overseas Box Office. And this is Domestic Box Office. And that is the chart. Make it a little bigger. But that's basically it. You don't need to do any more. You can throw that in your plot, in your slides. So I hope that helped.